oras na para umpisahan ang ating plano.
Let's go! Okay! Who win it now? Okay! Who win it now?
Mga kababayan! Hoy! Nga no? Kawatan ka! Ba't sabi ako gikawat? Ganun mong gikawat akong kasing-kasing!
Welcome. We have been expecting you.
Di ko lang alam bakit ang daming mayayaman. Pinipilit ko ang ako, hindi makakababa. Sinain ko na bayaan natin ang mga estilo ng binigay para sa mga tawa. Hindi sila natakot na mabasag ang buhay sa kusya ng pakalma. Mas na napakalala ko, at yung pag-aamis na kayo ang tuloy ko.
Willem! Get on the floor! Okay, remix!
Let's go!
Anak, i-prove nako nimo nga di ka bayot. Isyagit nimo akong isulti ha. Pusil,
Pusil!
bala,
Bala!
armalite,
Armalite!
lalaki.
Ha? Asamantay!
Man lang ako'y bata pa. Di ko ba na walang kung paano umibig sa'yo?
Let's rock!
Maaaring sa isang puso sila ay tama. Dahil di ko pa naranasan. Di ko pa naranasan kung mag-uupa sa tuwa.
Heat it up when this shit drops. In them big spots where the players let them bottles pop. See the steam on the back when the hips pop. She getting real hype, so heat it up, girl. Finish him. Heat it up when this shit drops. In them big spots where the players let them bottles pop. She getting real hype, so heat it up, girl. Heat it up, get it up, get it up there. Heat it up, get it up, get it up there. Heat it up, get it up, get it up there. Come on!
Ladies and gentlemen, when we call on the graduates, 700 students and only 2 passers with the highest grade of 74.9. Give a round of applause, please. When we call Mr. Dudong Istoy Putoy Patutoy Gamay Tutoy.
A pleasant afternoon to all, to me, to you, we, they, and everyone. Tonight, I am graduation, and I am proud of me. I invitation you all to eat our house because I know someday that I will eat your house too. I will die. 10 chickens, 7 girls, and 3 boys to eat you all. And I will ask my father to cook my mother. I'm sure you will come because I am graduation. Many thanks you very so much. God bless always. Yo, 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 yo!
Unang araw pa lang minahanda kita. Bakit ba ganito ang aking nadama? Di man kita lubusan ang kilala. Eh ano naman, basta mahal kita.
Unang araw sa school, ako'y nasa eskwelahan. Uniforme ay cool, baka may maeksenahan. Syempre, merong bagong chicks ngayon nag-enroll. Kaso yung iba mukhang pang shake, rattle and roll. Oh, pero iisa ang agaw pansin. Isang babaeng kumakain mag-isa sa kantin. Tapos lalo pa akong natuwa at lalong sumaya nung